Oh, guess what, Pookie?
I have no idea, Bob. What?
This coming Sunday, October 23rd.
This Sunday? This coming Sunday? Oh my
October
gosh.
23rd, we are going to be in Sarasota, Florida.
Oh my gosh, we're in St. Louis right now. How is that going to happen?
Well, we're going to get in the car and we're going to drive there. That's how it's going to happen. But we're really excited. We've been doing two different things at Unity of Sarasota. It's on Proctor Rd, I believe it is, right there in Sarasota. And for one thing, we're going to be performing at the 10:30 a.m. service at Unity of Sarasota.
I'm so excited about that.
We'll be doing 3 original songs. I think it's about an hour-long service or so. And so please come and check that out. But then we're doing a workshop soon after that, starting at around 12:15 in the afternoon, same day, same location, this coming Sunday, October 23rd. We're doing like a 90-minute workshop. We're excited about that too, right?
Yes. You know why? Because it's all about prosperity and abundance.
That's right. So if you want to attract more money and abundance into your life and have fun doing it, that's actually part of the title. And because it ain't fun, we don't even want to be involved in it.
Yeah, you won't find us there.
So we're going to be using music and definitely some humor and some interactive activities. And we're going to have you lead with some tools that will be able to help you attract more abundance into your life.
All in a sense of play.
That's
Just
right.
Play, because play is how we create.
That's right. Yeah, money and abundance and all this work that we do doesn't have to be so darn serious.
No.
You know, we're not about that at
all.
so we would love to. Yeah, we're really looking forward to our trip to the Sunshine State. Sarasota is our first stop this Sunday. We're also doing some events in Hollywood and Orlando and the villages throughout the week. We have some separate videos about that.
We're going to be busy bees.
But if you are in the Sarasota area, that's hard to say, Sarasota area, or if you know somebody who is, pass this on to them. We would love to see you this coming Sunday. When is it?
October 23rd.
That's right. 10:30 a.m. service, and then the workshop starts at 12:15. It'll go until about 1:45. We'll also have books and CDs available for you to take home with you and all that good stuff. So,
oh my gosh, and we can sign them if you like to.
That's right. We'd be happy to.
More importantly, we get to meet you.
No, we hope.
That's the best thing.
Oh, we love the interaction with the people.
Oh my gosh.
And if you're a people person, we are too. We'd like to meet you. All right. We'll hope to see you at Sarasota this Sunday.
Be there.